I don't even know. Oh man, where you niggas go? I'm tryna suck it up, tryna benzo, tryna suck it up, honey benzo. And I'm on my mama phone, but I suck it up. And you niggas over there judging, I'ma laugh it up, cause I'm still getting bands. That's just who I fucking am. Call me Mr. Stiffy, nigga, cause I get to them fucking M's. I get into them M's like I'm Eminem. And all these lame niggas in like my old bro and that. I never give a fuck cause I'm in my own lane. Said he wanna be tough with a gun, or do you wanna be lame? I said I'ma be lame, cause that's who I am. Just because I'm quite on me, I can't work like this. I'm tryna have 100 baddies, ice spices. I want to get me down, have me screaming to the crisis. I'ma dedicate this segment to our brothers. We used to be blood, brother, rubber, different mothers. And I'ma tell you how it happened. I'll never do the fucking disrespecting you, but I'll never hold no grudges, cause I'm a real nigga. I'm a real trill nigga. Wanna suck the meals, nigga. I'm talking with my twins, that's how I am, nigga. I'ma get it out with my fucking twins. I'ma try to get it out, try to get them win. I'ma try to get it out, sticking up them M's. I'ma try to get it out, pushing up them bins. I'ma try to get it out, we pushing all them bins. But you can't keep laughing, cause I'm on the floor. But you can't keep laughing, cause I got 100 more. Yeah, that's where I sleep, but I keep my money on the floor. And everybody wanna eat, so let's go eat, bro. I say I'm a pacifist, I don't like fighting, but everybody mad, they just be igniting. If niggas wasn't glazing, I'd do it when you were 19. But niggas Princess Smart, they ain't coming out right team. I said I wanna look out for my swings. Said I don't even know what is the right thing. It's a small world, we got it together. And we always some birds, and we birds of a feather. I said I keep it on that business, I'm on flow, but I said I'ma keep that big 100 bands though. And I'm on my phone, but I stack it up. And you niggas over there judging, I'ma laugh it up, cause I'm still getting bands. That's just who I fucking am. They call me Mr. Stiffy, nigga, cause I get to them fucking M's. I get into them M's like I'm Eminem. And all these lame niggas in like my old bro and that. But I never gave a fuck cause I'm in my own lane. Said he wanna be tough with a gun, or do you wanna be lame? I said I'ma be lame, cause that's who I am. Just because I'm quite on me, I can't work like ISIS.
Fatties, fucking ice spices. Big booty ice spices.